Welcome to the Hulco YouTube channel. Let's quickly check out the continued restoration of the 1953 Oldsmobile wheelhouse area. We started patchwork without interfering with the original wheelhouse area. Next, we're going to cut out the rotted area and fabricate a panel to fit into the exact place where the rusted one was cut out. We got our panel fabricated and welded in. Up next will be metal finishing in preparation for sandblasting. Our sandblasting is complete and we are now ready for epoxy prime and paint before installation of the quarter panels. All in a day's work. Thanks for watching this video from Hulco Antique Auto Restoration, where we're preserving the past and driving the future.